county or county is affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We return to regular programming.
Seas 2 feet to less near shore and 2 to 4 feet, occasionally to 5 feet long offshore. Period 5 seconds.
20 knots.
And it took me on 20 dot long to activate. I thought I was gonna activate right away until like, oh, now it's stopped.
Northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas less than 2 feet near shore and 1 to 2 feet well offshore. Period 5 seconds. Bay and inland waters light chop. Friday, east wind 5 to 10 knots becoming north. Seas less than 2 feet.
Just waiting on MFL to come out.
Waters a light chop. Friday.
Took you that long.
This is a test of the NOAA radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers
This one only lasts for 16 minutes.
The impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME, that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office.
All right. Well, so last MFL test of January. We'll have more in February. But however, next Wednesday, I believe, is going to be our Florida 2024 annual practice Florida statewide tornado drill. We're going to see what happens if we get it on. It'll be taking place next Wednesday on February 7th, but we'll see what happens. So, anyways, that's it for that. It's going.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarms for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also tested the same system for specific message encoders or counties affected by particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 a.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Oh, yeah. Well, this month seems to be a pretty active month. Yeah.
I literally almost just got ran over by a car.
Oh boy. So this month would seem to be a pretty active month. I'm gonna see if February is gonna be a pretty active month too. Let's see what happens.